Now let us try to find out the equivalent capacitance for this network. The speciality of this network is that between A and B you have to find out your equivalent capacitance. But if we start from right side, you will be confused. So you have to start from left side. Then it will be easier one. See, these 2 microfarad and these 2 microfarad. Whatever charges flows through this, same charges flows through this. That's why these two are in series. As you know, if two capacitors C1, C2, say the C1, C2 capacitance are in series, then total capacitance is what? Product of charges over sum of charges. C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. So that's why 2 and 2 are in your what? Series connection. So therefore total capacitance of these two capacitor is 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that is your 1 microfarad. Now forget about this. Now totally you have obtained 1 microfarad. Now that 1 microfarad and this 1 microfarad are in your parallel connection. That's why if you combine with this, the 1 microfarad, that is the total of these two, and 1 microfarad from this branch are in parallel, connection. Then you see, therefore total capacitance will be your 1 plus 1, that will be 2 microfarad. Now this you have resolved, then total after calculating these three you have obtained 2 microfarad. Now these 2 microfarad and these 2 microfarad are in series, it's very much clear. So as they are in series, therefore total capacitance will be again 1 microfarad. Now this you have resolved, you will get again 1 microfarad. Up to this you have calculated. Again this total after calculation of these all branches, you have obtained 1 microfarad. Now that 1 microfarad and this 1 microfarad are in parallel. So again you will get 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad as they are in parallel. So therefore your total capacitance will be 1 plus 1, that is 2 microfarad. So finally up to this you have calculated, that is your 2 microfarad. That's your 2. And again this 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in your series. Therefore finally you will write, you proceeding this way you will obtain here 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in your series. Therefore resultant will be your again 2 and 2, that is product of the capacitance by sum of capacitance, that will be your 1 microfarad. Now finally this 1 microfarad and this 1 microfarad are in parallel. Therefore total capacitance or equivalent capacitance of the network will be as this 1 microfarad of all these branches. After calculating you have obtained 1 microfarad, this is say 1 microfarad, and this 1 microfarad are in parallel. Therefore C equivalent will be directly sum of the capacitance 1 plus 1, that is your 2 microfarad. I hope it's clear.